Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this really cute Valentine's Day look. It's more creative than my last one, and I'm gonna say a little bit more complicated for sure, just because it is like a lot of patience and a lot of like steady hand movements, but I think it looks really cute. For this look I used NYX Sprinkle Town glitter, and I used that red one for the heart. I used a NYX white liquid liner. I also used Laura Lee's Los Angeles Party Animal palette. It's really bright palette. It's really cute. I used that, and I also used the Douce by Juvias, the same palette that I used on my past eye look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look. Make sure you leave a comment, make sure you like this video, and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to start off by using the Douce palette, and I'm going to start using the shade Cream. And then with a small flat brush, I'm going to start making lines on the top part of my eyelid, basically going around. Then I'm going to go in with the Party Animal palette, and I am going to be using the shade Bottoms Up. And then with another small brush, I'm just going to go in right after that cream color, and I'm just going to start adding those lines. Then I'm going to go in again with the Douce palette, and I'm going to use the shade Tarte, and I'm going to apply this color right in between the lines. Then I'm going to go in with the color Custard, and I am going to be applying this towards the middle of my eyelid. And it's okay if it blends a little bit. It is a darker color, so it's gonna happen. It's okay because we're gonna go back in with the Tarte and the cream shade so that we don't lose our lines. And here, like I said, we're going to go in again with the color Cream and the color Tarte. Next, I am going to be using the NYX Sprinkle Town glitter. I'm going to be using that red shade. And then with a small flat brush, I am going to start making the shape of a heart. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX liquid liner in white, and I'm just going to start outlining the heart. There is really no easy way to do this, so just use small strokes. And if you can lean your arm on something to have a steadier hand, that would help a lot. then with the same white eyeliner, I'm just going to apply little hearts on the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm going to go back in with the Party Animal palette. I'm going to use the shade Bottoms Up, and I'm going to apply this right under my waterline. Then I'm going to take a black eyeliner and just apply it on the outer corners of my eyes. And then with the same brush that I applied the Bottoms Up shade, I'm just going to blend the eyeliner and the shade together. Then I'm just going to apply my mascara and eyelashes, and this look is done. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you leave a comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.